Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be starting to work on my project number 7 in the series of before and after. As you can see, I have 8 broken pieces of jewelry. Here, it's probably used to be back charm. Has missing stones, that's why I'm taking it apart. I didn't find the stones in the bottom of the bag, so probably they were broken before they were put in the bag. Another tassel. If you remember from my previous project, I already worked with one of these and kept as it is, just found a missing stone from another necklace and glued it back together and just put it on a chain that I made from beads. So this time I have to try to do something different. Just a rope with beads. Beads are plastic. It has some nice spacers, rose spacers, bronze. These are just plastic, really light, and this probably glass and has some, how do you call it, faceted beads, and it's just on a brown piece of string, so I have to take it apart. This also I worked before with, also has a missing pendant. So I'll have to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Last time I didn't take it apart. I just added a tassel in the bottom. So this time I have to do something else. And here, 3 identical necklaces with different parts missing. These 2 have missing stones on the pendants. This one has missing pendant. And some of them are not really in a great condition. Some of them are, dropped really hard and some of the pieces broken. And in the back, metal is discolored in some places. So last time I had the same 3 necklaces. I ended up with 2 different necklaces and a pair of earrings. So this time has to be something else. And of course I have my leftovers box from previous project. I have a lot of things now, so I'll try to use up some of this, but I don't know. Even though it seems a lot, when you come to it, it's not enough as parts to be used because it's just small pieces of everything left. So I don't know, we'll have to see. So this is it, guys. I'll get back to work and you'll see in a second the results. Hey guys, guess what? It's all done. It just took me 2 hours. I'm just so surprised. It usually takes me a couple days just to come up with different ideas and then to execute them, and sometimes I have to take them apart again because I didn't like the end result. But with this one, especially with this one, I thought I'm gonna struggle because I worked with the same items I worked with before and I had to come up with different ideas this time, but it just clicked everything in spot and that's it. It's all done. So surprisingly, I'm just gonna make this whole video in one day. I'm gonna post it by the evening. So let me show you what I have. First, let me start with this. I had 2 of the back charms or key charms, whatever you like. It had like a link here, this link. So I just removed it and just made the back charm put together with it, and it's good as it is. It didn't really need this one, so it didn't have to complicate anything here. Another back charm I made into a very long necklace. Remember this, guys? It was leftover from my very first video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out on my channel. And same back charm, I removed the same link that had missing stone and added here. It's actually, when you wear it, looks just gorgeous. It's very long, like it's almost like 1920s, when you wear your black dress and you need just something long along with it. And it's just gorgeous. I love it. I'm just gonna try to show the shorter version. So, but it's very long, much longer than this, and I'm just gonna keep it and wear with black dresses. I love it. Another necklace I had was with this chain, remember? So I took the bottom part, made it into a bracelet. So I just unhooked one of the chains here, hooked it here. So I just have a nice bracelet. It has, I added an extension chain in case someone else will be wearing it. And it's lovely. So from the same necklace that was left over with chains and stuff, I made a necklace. It's a short one. but I really love this because lately I think it's a new design that people wear. They just have this like bar pendant on a simple chain. So this one, remember, it had another one like this. I didn't know what to do with it, just keeping it. I was on a rope on a string with other different beads, so I took one and turned into a short necklace. I love it. I just love it. And then I had just extra links of this and then turned that into a pair of earrings. I just had to change here the pin because I had to have a closed pin, head pin, that's what they call. So otherwise I just added the hooks and it's ready. So out of one necklace I made 3 different items. I actually made a necklace, a bracelet, and earrings. The only thing I added was this part from another necklace I took apart. So remember this one? There was just a tassel, had 1 stone missing. As usual, I sacrificed one of the pendants that I had, I'm going to show you later, to add this stone here. And then I had this thing left from my previous project number 6. So it actually came just perfectly together. So I have 2 key charms this time. And it's just lovely. And I had 3 different necklaces like this. The reason I have only 1 of these left is because I had to sacrifice the other 2 to get the missing crystals. This one had a lot of missing crystals that I had to glue back from other 2 pendants like this. One of them I glued here. This one had missing here. So I have 1 hole here and then added there. And then I took the necklace apart and made into another bracelet. So it just looked like this. It's cute. So as usual, I added extension chain. Voila! Brand new, nice looking bracelet. Another necklace like this. I had 3 of these, remember? So one of them is here in the bracelet. Another one I made into a necklace. Remember this big buckle thing left over from my previous project number 6? It just clicked here perfectly. The only thing took time here. I had to custom make this jump rings here because it's a huge distance here, gap. So I had to make a bigger, flat looking jump ring. So it took me a bit of time. I never did jump rings before myself, so decided this time, and I think it was worth the struggle. I really like this necklace, especially this bar one. I think, you know, the 2 short necklaces I made today, I'm just in love with it. And this one, I really struggled in my previous project trying to think up something. And in this time, you know, I just opened my leftovers box and it was just right there and it just clicked. So I have another lovely necklace. And another necklace, the same necklace here, it had these 2 connectors, well, 3 connectors on 3 necklaces. So I took 2 and made lovely pair of drop earrings. I used these crystals from the necklace that I took apart along with this one. It was on the same rope, and it had this spacers as well, nice rose spacers. So I think it just looks nice. However you wear it, you can wear it on this side. I made them nice looking pair of earrings. And then the last thing, I had a lot of beads left from this necklace. I made into a bracelet. So it has a lot of different beads on it. So I made it this way. You can either wear it this way on top, or you can wear it this way, however you like it. It just looks nice. So basically that's all. I made a lot of things, I think, and I'm in love with every single piece here. So whatever I left is this one of the things. I thought to make same necklace, but I was like, what's the point to have same one? This one, links, two links from back charms, missing stones. Again, I'm gonna keep them because when I go through the whole box of the jewelry I might have a lot of stones in the bottom that just fell off from this. I might glue them back together and make something different. So I'm just gonna keep them until I finish the box. One of the other necklaces, I have 3 of these. Two of them I took apart, and I really struggled what to do with this. So as you can see, I didn't really have anything left. So I decided to keep until next project where I will have much more stuff to work with and see what I can come up. So this is the 6th necklace of the same kind I'm working with. And then I just had some of the links left from the necklaces. And then a couple of spacers and just one crystal. That's all. That's all that's left. And that's all I made. So I'm really happy with it. I hope you guys are happy with it. If you are, just press like, subscribe to see some stuff like this again in the future. Leave your comments if you have any, and see you in the next one. Bye.